it's Joe and Rose for Joe's Moses Kitchen. After trying several times, I come up with this beautiful recipe of chicken mandi. How to prepare at home. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video, Joe's Moses Kitchen. Let's make this beautiful mandi marination together. Two tablespoons of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 15 pieces of peppercorn, a small piece of cinnamon stick, 5 pieces of cardamom, 1 piece of bay leaf, 1 piece of star anise, 10 pieces of cloves, 1 piece of dry lime, 5 pieces of dry red chilies. All onto a pan, dry roast it at a very low heat. Stir continuously and roast it. You can feel the fragrance. Cool it down, transfer to a blender, and blend it to a fine powder like this. Set this aside, this powder. Onto a bowl, we need half cup of extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of saffron. Onto half cup of hot water, add 1 cube of chicken seasoning, dissolve it, and add to the oil. We need lemon juice, just half only. Squeeze the lemon. We have the wet marination and dry marination ready. Now let's go to the next process. Add the dry marination to the wet marination. And combine well. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it well. Make sure the olive oil is well combined with the powder. I'm using here half the chicken. Pour the marination on top of the chicken. Using a fork, poke the chicken so the marination will be well absorbed. Don't cut the chicken, poke it. It will tenderize the chicken too. Flip it and do the same process. The chicken is well marinated now. Cover it and refrigerate it for 24 hours for a better result. I suggest 24 hours of marination for this recipe. Let's prepare the mandi. We need 2 cups of basmati rice soaked for 30 minutes. Onto a pot, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 250 grams of butter, 2 pieces of bay leaf, 2 pieces of cinnamon stick, 2 pieces of star anise, 4 pieces of cardamom, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin seed, 2 teaspoons of coriander seed, 2 pieces of dry lime. Saute for 30 seconds. Add half cup of raisins and saute for a minute. You can see the raisins are popped up. The fragrance are coming out from the spices. Add 2 pieces of sliced onions, 6 pieces of slit green chilies, 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, and saute on a medium heat for 1 minute. We have to make stock. We are using here 3.5 cup of water, 2 cubes of chicken seasoning, dissolve it. You got a beautiful stock now. Add the stock. Give a quick stir. Check the salt and add salt just enough. Combine well. Add the basmati rice. Gently stir it. Make sure the temperature is very low at this time. Place a net on top of the rice. Remove the marinated chicken from the refrigerator. Give a quick mix. Place the chicken on top of the rice. Reserve half cup of marination we have to use at the grilling process. Spread all the marination what we have left on the top of the chicken. You can see the marination is dripping into the rice. That's give a better flavor for the rice. Cover with a cling foil. Cover it tightly and thumb on a very low heat for 30 minutes and rest it for another 30 minutes. Afterwards, remove the foil. You can see the chicken is just cooked, but still more to cook. But the rice is beautifully cooked. Add 3 pieces of whole green chilies on the top. Fluff the rice from the side. You can see the rice is just beautiful. It should be. Let's prepare some garnishes. Onto a pan, add 100 grams of butter, 100 ml of olive oil, 1 sliced onions, and saute on a low heat until it is golden in color. Remove it and set it aside. Add half cup of almonds. Roast it until it is beautifully roasted. Remove it and set it aside. The fluffed rice is beautiful now. Place it onto a plate. Spread some almonds on the top. Spread the fried onions on the top. Let's finish the chicken. Onto the same pan we used for frying the onions and almonds, grill the chicken on a very low heat. Press the marination on the top. and let it cook. Flip it in between. Brush the marination on the top again. Do this process several times. Flip it and brush the marination until it's cooked. It's juicy and tender. Remove the chicken. Place it on top of the rice. The beautiful Mandi is ready to serve. You can see the beautiful chicken, juicy, tender chicken like this. And the rice is
Chicken Mandi, we made it ready. No oven required for this beautiful recipe. Don't miss out to try it. And let me know how it is, and please share the video to friends and family and subscribe my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. See you with a new video. Bye. This video, have you ever tried? What about this one? Or what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.